Okay, welcome to the second half of this video where we talk about the next 3 meals a day and why they're critical. So you can see we talked about the first one's already here, and then we're going to the second half. Now again, we're traditional by human need that we need like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or that's what we've been taught anyways, okay? So again, we're gonna throw another snack between lunch and dinner, and that's gonna be critical because what's gonna do is help us keep the metabolism high again. You know, we talked about that 10 o'clock downtime where our body kind of crashes and burns that help hold on to nutrients. We have that again about 3 o'clock. So what happens is we don't get that snack again after lunchtime period. We kind of get that down period after lunch where we feel kind of sluggish and tired. We want to let our body take in that food, that nutrients that it needs, and then we're going to fill it again with another food at that 3 o'clock time period, 2:30, somewhere in there based on your guys' schedule. And we're going to get some nutrients to help hold on to the body, keep the metabolism burning hot until we go have dinner again. So again, we're gonna make this simple. We're gonna pick one of these. I put some options like a Quest bar, maybe let's do another Super Shake, or doing a Power Crunch. Now, you guys can go to like, for example, your lunch or your dinner and utilize that same list of stuff I put out and put something in there if you want. But I'm just trying to give you guys ideas that's quick. This is the exact same thing that I have my dad doing because it is quick, it's simple for him. He puts the stuff into place, he's getting major results with it. It's easy for him. No guesswork, never trying to put foods together, never have to be frustrated by the fact that you had to cook more meals and stuff like that, okay? So there's a snack there, then we're going to dinner time period. The dinner is gonna be basically a duplication of the lunchtime period. So you guys can mix your foods, match them however you want. And something I wanna point out, and I put a little quote or a did you know fact here, and that is, your body really does not know the difference between thirst and hunger. So if you're getting hungry a lot, it's either one, because your metabolism is spiking up, or two, you're thirsty. I'd always incorporate drinking more water if you find yourself getting hungry. You may just be thirsty. And because you're feeling that sense of thirst, your body doesn't recognize the difference between thirst and hunger. So what happens, you just want to go eat more foods, which is not necessarily the best thing for you. Water is critical, so I would always go to water first in that case if you've been feeding your body like clockwork throughout the day as we talked about. And then the most important thing to end the day with is going to go back to a Super Shake gun. Now, this one right here, it's important that we feed our body that proper nutrients at night so we actually can heal it, okay? So we can actually cleanse the bloodstream. We talked about that blood where, there's a blood here like this and the cells are in there and there's that toxic acid that's kind of floating through our bloodstream from the foods. Now, if you're eating the way we teach you here, you shouldn't have to worry about too much toxic in the bloodstream. So it's gonna be easy to eliminate, but we wanna eliminate any excess that was there throughout the day, okay? And that can be manipulated by outside environments like the oxygen we breathe in, the toxins in the air, stuff like that. So we just want to help remove them as much as possible. Now, what I do is I do like a bedtime Super Shake. Now, the only difference between a bedtime Super Shake and the morning one or a daytime one is I basically eliminate the fruits out. I just kind of have more of my fatty source. I do more like the veggies, so I don't have the fruits in there, more of a little bit higher glycemic index, stuff like that. I take them out. So I'm gonna do like, avocado with some spinach, with some protein powder, some almond breeze milk, stuff like that. I just basically eliminate the fruit source of the shake itself. So when you guys look at your steps, you'll see a step that says fruits, just kind of knock that step out and make the shake the rest of the way with the nutrients you need. And what that does is actually helps alkalize the body even more and helps keeps the sugar levels lower throughout the night. So that way your body doesn't have to worry about trying to break down the sugars in there overnight and have you develop like this restless sleep or feeling fatigued in the morning when you get up. The key is to wake up in the morning feeling refreshed, feeling good, and feeling a big difference in your energy levels and noticing the weight just drop off your body, okay? So again, we want to make sure we finish the day out the right way to get the results. So you guys, I hope this helps clear up the understanding of why we're doing this the way we're doing it. You guys can just take the same day every day and just duplicate it, just change up the options that you choose from. You can take this same meal plan and you can make basically utilizing what I listed here. You can do like, one shake one day, do one Quest bar one day, change up your foods here, do a different Quest bar or a Power Crunch bar, do different foods here, different shake here. You could change it a million ways, have a different meal plan every single day based on just this criteria listed right here. So take time right now, start putting play, make it easy, make it simple, and watch as the weight keeps dropping off your body and watch as you tone up and shape the six pack, and watch how your muscles just develop. I mean, these things start tone up muscles even more, and you wouldn't believe it, but it does. I mean, it's some major changes. So keep working hard, and if you guys have any questions, let me know, and keep rocking forward, and we'll see you guys soon.